gentlemen, family, and friends, once again, good evening, and welcome to Samantha and Ben's wedding reception! When you're young, single, shy, and working at the local neighborhood bakery, you get to meet all kinds of walks of life. In Brooklyn, however, only a rare few make conversation. Samantha began noticing this one gentleman in particular who'd come in to buy coffee, except he'd always leave without saying a word. And Ben commented about all the construction happening across the park. It was a perfect opportunity for him to distract her so he can take something out of his pocket and get down on one knee. When Sam turned back around, she began to lose control of her body. Not because of the cold, but because she realized what was actually happening. Ben proceeded to ask, let's go, party people, let's go, let's go, let's go! Come on, put them up, 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 put them up! We got the jam can right here. This is going up tonight.